Namaskar, Ashish Mittal from Aarsun Delivers. Here we are discussing chairs, just chairs, and I have a few samples. And this could be for a resort, for a hotel, for a meeting hall, or for some different place, as a visitor chair, how you want it. But these are basically for a resort we have created. So hotels, restaurants, all these places, these kind of chairs work. These are in teak wood. All the chairs are in teak wood in different finishes, different style, different designing, and these all are as per client's requirement. We have a client in Gujarat who has got several resorts, and he has made these for different resorts, all the styles, and we have a container full of all of these. But I have put a few units just to show you the designs. The sizes are almost similar, but as you see, the back design, one is higher, one is lower. So the left one is 42 inches higher, and this one is 3 feet higher. Similarly, this is around 40 inches, this is around 40 inches back height. Front to back, all these chairs are 30 inches, 2.5 feet deep. This, and this, all three chairs are 28 inches wide, almost 2.5 feet, and this one is 2.5 feet, a couple of inches wide. As you can see, it's for wide sitting. I'll sit on it so you can see the overall look. And basically, when we are creating chairs for resorts and restaurants, and in fact heavy use, there are two things that we have to see. First, the comfort part. Now you can see I'm sitting on this chair, and I'm sitting very relaxed. As you can see, my hands are relaxing easily. I have ample space, good space. I'm leaning back, as you can see, and I have a cushion at the back as well. And even with the cushion, I have got quite nice space. I can sit on a corner like this. And for longer sitting, that is the basic thing. And for longer sitting, there are two basic things. First is the space. The space should be good. If it's not spacious, I'll show you. So let's say I have around 24 inches of chair, 2 feet. And when I'm sitting like this, you can see my knees are completely out of the chair. The best sitting position is when your knee roll is on the edge of the chair. That's the best position, as you can see now. And even when I'm leaning, I'm sitting quite comfortably. This is one point, and this is really important, because when you give bulk order of chairs or any furniture to any sub vendor, what they mostly do is they play in the sizes. So they provide a chair of 26 inches deep or 24 inches, 2 feet deep. The whole purpose gets defeated, and the person who's visiting your place, who's sitting there for a couple of hours, they're not very comfortable. They keep moving front and back and trying to adjust themselves to make comfortable, and that there you notice that it's not the right thing. And here I'm sitting very comfortably, as you can see, enough space. So this is good, and the size is good as well. The other thing you will notice is the puffiness of the seat. These are flat seats. Here we have a little puff on the seat, extra puffing, and this is also another concept, because the top layer goes quite soft. We have fur inside, so when you are sitting, the moment, see, when I'm sitting on it, I cannot exactly show you, because it's about the feeling part, how you feel it. But when I'm sitting, you can see the puff of the seat gives a support, a cushion, and that feels really good when you're sitting on a chair like this. And again, the same comfort and the space I'm talking about. I have a cushion at the back, as you can see, and this cushion makes for the support. I can move the cushion on a side if I'm really looking to this position is quite comfortable as well. You can see I'm sitting very comfortably, and I can sit there, have a chat, have dinner, have a talk with someone, and can sit there for hours, in fact, on this chair. Similarly, the chair I have on the other side is again a little extra puffy, similar to that one, and this is again the same thing. As I'm talking, the moment I sit, the relaxation part starts coming, and someone who is visiting the place will love this concept. See, chair basically is a thing. When someone is coming to your place, they are sitting. The moment they sit, it makes a difference. And when the comfort zone is there, it gets elongated. People are sitting for more time, ordering more things, and the meetings are going longer. So that definitely is a better thing for the restaurant or the resort, wherever you are. This is semi mat. This is semi mat. This is mat, and this is mat, and the colors are different. The entire thing is about the aesthetic part, the designing part, how you are willing, how you are looking for that thing, how you are designing the whole thing. And we are doing choice wala furniture. Choice means everything: size, design, color, and pattern and the fabric. So you can see we have got different fabric on the chair, and this is again as per client's choice. And you can visit our website aarsunwoods.com. You can go to youtube.com and see thousands of videos there, different sizes, colors, patterns, design, and so much stuff we have got, so much stuff we have made, and all this stuff has been delivered across the globe, 57 countries and everywhere across India. So you let us know what you're looking for, and Arson guarantees the best price, the top quality that matches the brand name of Arson, and satisfaction. That is the prime importance, because when you are spending money, that should be worth it. And we really believe on that. The number is right here. Contact us, let us know what you want, how you want it, and leave it on us. Rest assured, we'll make the best thing at best prices. The number is right here. Thank you. Dhanyavad.